1 hectare centimeter of water is equal to both A and B. 100 tons water and 10,000 1 lakh liter water. 1 hectare centimeter of water is equal to 100 ton water and 1 lakh liter water. Who is considered as father of soil testing? Trog is considered as father of soil testing. Select the pair which is not correctly matched. Salt index Puri, nutrient index Parker, A value Fried, and the Driss concept Beckett. False. Driss concept Beckett is false. Which one of the following pair is mismatched? L value Larson, integrated soil test approach Cowell, biogas Desai and Vishwas, law of limiting factor Lundergaard. False. Law of limiting factor Lundergaard is mismatch pair. Journal Plant and Soil is published from the Netherlands. Journal Plant and Soil is published from the Netherlands. The relative proportion of sand, silt and clay in a soil is known as soil texture. The relative proportion of sand, silt and soil clay is known as soil texture. 1 bar is equals to 0.9869 atom. Weight of a 1020 centimeter water column, 75.01 centimeter high mercury column. All of these. The tension of the water at the upper plastic limit is equivalent to PF value 0.5. The tension of water at the upper plastic limit is equivalent to PF value 0.5. Source of negative charge on silicate clay is R. All of these. Source of negative charge on silicate clay is R. Exposed crystal age, isomorphous substitution, anion exchange. All of these. Browning disease of rice is a physiological disease. Browning disease of rice is a physiological disease. Walkley and Black's method of organic matter determination allows blank percent recovery. 74. Walkley and Black's method of organic matter determination allows 74% recovery. Soil order characterized by excess of weathering with dominant iron and aluminium oxide clay common in tropics is oxysols. Soil order characterized by excess of weathering which dominant iron and aluminium oxide clay common in tropics is oxysols. Which of the following nutrient is lost in the greatest amount by allowing exposure of manure pile to rain? And which of the following nutrient is lost in the greatest amount by allowing exposure of manure pile to rain? And water stable aggregate in soil increase by addition of P fertilizer. Water stable aggregate in soil increases by addition of P fertilizer. A soil which has pH smaller than 8.5, ESP smaller than 15 and EC greater than 4, DSM inverse at 25 degrees is called saline soil. A soil which has pH smaller than 8.5, ESP smaller than 15 and EC4 DSM inverse at 25 degree is called saline soil. Fertility gradient approach was given by B. Ramamurthy. Fertility gradient approach was given by B. Ramamurthy. Which of the following crop is most tolerant to salty soil? Cotton. Which of the following crop is most tolerant to salty soil? Cotton. Hydrogen bonding takes place in the interlayer of kaolinite. Hydrogen bonding takes place in the interlayer of kaolinite. Ionic potential is maximum in case of Li. Ionic potential is maximum in case of Li. Lingard absorption of weak acid anion is maximum at the pH which is equal to pK of weak acid. Ligand absorption of weak acid anion is maximum at a pH which is equal to pK of weak acid. Which one of the following will perform very poor as a source of N fertilizer under waterlogging soil field, rice field is ammonium nitrate. Which one of the following will perform very poor as a source of N fertilizer under waterlogged rice field? Ammonium nitrate. Which one of the following is commonly used as urease inhibitor? Phenol phosphorodiamidate. Which one of the following is commonly used as urease inhibitor? Phenol phosphorodiamidate. Indian agriculture is operating at a negative balance of plant nutrient 8 to 10 MT. Indian agriculture is operating at a negative balance of plant nutrient 8 to 10. Which country has largest deposit of K? Canada. Which country has monopoly in P deposit? Morocco. Which country has monopoly in P deposit? Morocco. In India, which fertilizer manufactured first? SSP. In India, which fertilizer manufactured first? SSP. Hurting net in soil produced by Actomycorrhiza. Hurting net is in soil produced by Actomycorrhiza. End product of denitrification process is N2O and N2. End product of denitrification is N2 and N2. Which nitrogenous fertilizer industrially made first? CaCN2. Which nitrogenous fertilizer industrially made first? CaCN2. Which crop is more tolerant to salinity? Barley. Which crop is more tolerant to salinity? Barley. India is divided into how many ecological zones? 20. India is divided into how many ecological zones? 20. Bench terrace are constructed for the areas having land slope above 15%. Bench terrace are constructed for the areas having land slope above 15%. Plant nutrient have which shows deficiency symptom on older leaves. The correct sequence is NPMGZM. Plant nutrient which show deficiency symptom on older leaves. The correct sequence is nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc. Available phosphorus of more than 25 kg per hectare of soil is considered as high. Available phosphorus of more than 25 kg per hectare of soil is considered as high. White irregular spot between veins of upper leaf of maize plant shows the deficiency of manganese. White irregular spot between veins of upper leaves of maize plant shows the deficiency of manganese. Average annual loss of nutrient due to erosion is 2.4 million tons. Average annual loss of nutrient due to erosion is 2.4 million tons. The amount of nitrogen fixed by soybean in kg N per hectare per year is in which range? 49 to 130. The amount of nitrogen fixed by soybean in kg N per hectare per year is in which range? 49 to 130. The volume wetness of soil can be derived from which one of the following? Mass wetness and bulk density. The volume wetness of soil can be derived from which one of the following? Mass wetness and bulk density. Soil sample indicating pH 7.5, EC 4.8, exchangeable sodium 12 may be categorized as saline soil. A soil sample indicating pH 7.5, EC 4.8, exchangeable sodium percent 12 characterized as saline soil. Consider the following statement. Diffusion in the dominant mechanism for transporting soil Zn2+ to plant roots. Zinc solubility in soil solution decrease 100-fold for each unit increase in pH. Which of the statement given above are correct? Neither one nor two. Both are false. Consider the following. Brucite, gibbsite, albite, boehmite. Which one of the above are Al containing mineral? 2, 3 and 4 only. Gibbsite, albite and boehmite are aluminium containing minerals. Consider the following statement. calcium, zinc, phosphorus, Mg, the acidic soil are deficient in which of the above nutrient element? 1, 3 and 4 only. Calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium are the element deficient in acidic soil. Consider the following. Phosphorus availability is one of the major constraints to plant growth in nature. Phosphorus has low solubility and high absorption capacity in soil. Which one of the above statement is true? Both 1 and 2. Phosphorus availability is one of the major constraints to plant growth in nature. Phosphorus has low solubility and high absorption capacity in soil. Both 1 and 2 are correct. What is the fraction of soil organic matter which is soluble both in alkali and acid? Fulvic acid. What is the fraction of soil organic matter which is soluble both in alkali and acid? Fulvic acid. In terms of the order from youngest to the oldest soil, which one of the following is the correct chronological sequence? Antisol, insectisol, alphisol, oxisol. The correct sequence in chronological of soil is antisol, insectisol, alphisol, oxisol. The phosphorus bearing compound in soil means both A and B, phytins and ATP. The phosphorus bearing compound in soils mean phytins and ATP. Take out the correct match. Dolomite CaCO3 MgCO3. Gibbsite Al2O3 3H2O. Gypsum CaSO4 2H2O. Geothite Fe2O3. Gypsum CaSO4 2H2O is incorrect match. The immobility of phosphorus in soil is primarily a result of orthophosphate reacting with iron and aluminium in acid soil and calcium in neutral and basic soil. Select the wrong matched pair